Hi, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and we're going to make an easy birthday card using two stamp sets, a basic white base and a basic white layer. You need to find an image that you can color and cut out or stamp directly on this top layer. And I'm using a great sentiment from the Biggest Wish stamp set from Stampin' Up. And I'm stamping it in one color for the happy and using the script birthday. And so I love how that looks, and I love how you can combine the two colors. Next, we can take some dimensional adhesive and put that just above the sentiment, and that layer is going to go directly on top of that 4 1/4 by 11 card base. Now, to finish off, you can use some gems or rhinestones or just leave it as it is, and it would be a precious card to send to someone. Here I'm using some classic matte dots in that yellow color and adding it to the card. So visit my website at inkandinspirations.com.